Hello, and welcome to part 3 of Rebuilding My Parody Empire. This is Bad Opinions, a Good Directions parody. This is the question. How did I come up with this? Alright, so I just thought Good Directions was the complete opposite of Good Directions. Those two words. Bad Opinions. Okay. So I thought, what are some really weird and bad opinions people have? And I was like, oh, right. The people in Congress are lizards. So this is that. Let's get it. I was sitting there, listening to some Alex Jones, thinking it was pretty good when he pulled up. He had to be thinking about what I was listening to. He had NYC on his license plate. He was lost and looking for something good, looking for an opinion. And I was the man for the job. I told him way up there over in DC, there's a chip planted in everybody's brain. You gotta stop before you get infected. And a left will take you down the interstate, but a right will lead you right up to DC. I was sitting there thinking about the face he made, saying why'd he leave but so damn fast. I resumed my podcast thought, and maybe it wasn't what he's looking for. I knew I couldn't stop him, I just couldn't. He probably didn't listen to me anyhow, so I watched him leave me in a cloud of dust. I told him way up there over in DC, there's a chip planted in everybody's brain. You gotta stop before you get infected. And a left will take you down the interstate, but a right will reach you right up to DC. Is this Georgia Heat playing tricks on me, or am I really seeing this truly? Is that dude coming back to me? So he went way up there over in DC. Don't know how, but something felt wrong. So he stopped right before he got infected. So he turned his ass around and here to me. Thank God for bad opinions, said Mean Joe Green from the Pittsburgh Steelers. I don't know why I wrote that. That one's a puzzler. That's it, though. Thank you.